Cruise into the digital highway with MS Tech, unraveling technology, simplifying complexities. Stay tuned for your daily tech enlightenment.
Imagine a world where precision, speed, and efficiency are paramount in manufacturing. Where does the humble CNC machine fit into this picture? In the heart of any advanced manufacturing facility, you'll find a CNC machine or computer numerical control machine quietly humming away, creating intricate parts with incredible precision. These machines have revolutionized industries from automotive to aerospace, enabling us to create complex shapes and designs that would have been impossible or prohibitively time-consuming with traditional manual machines. But how does a CNC machine work? How does it turn a raw piece of metal into a precision-engineered part? Firstly, it all starts with a plan, a blueprint, if you will. This blueprint, created by engineers or designers, is a digital 3D model of the part to be manufactured. This digital blueprint is then converted into a language that the CNC machine can understand, a language called G-code. This G-code tells the machine exactly where to move, how fast to move, and what path to follow. Once the machine has received the G-code, it gets to work. The machine operator loads the raw material into the machine and secures it in place. It's crucial that the material is secure, as any movement during the machining process could result in a part that's not up to specification. The cutting or shaping process begins when the CNC machine starts moving its tools according to the instructions in the G-code. It's a dance of precision, with the machine's tools moving in 3 dimensions, removing material layer by layer until the final shape is revealed. Throughout this process, the CNC machine is constantly checking and double-checking its work, comparing the part it's making to the digital blueprint. This ensures that the part is being made accurately and any errors can be caught and corrected in real time. So, to summarize, the working principles of the CNC machines are: first, the creation of a digital blueprint, which is then converted into G-code. This G-code instructs the machine on how to move its tools to shape the raw material. The raw material is loaded and secured into the machine, and the machine follows the G-code instructions, shaping the material layer by layer. Throughout this process, the machine is constantly checking its work, ensuring that the final part matches the original blueprint. These principles underline the importance of CNC machines in modern manufacturing. They allow for high precision, speed, and efficiency, transforming raw materials into complex parts and enabling industries to create products that were once thought impossible. So the next time you're marveling at a complex piece of machinery or a beautifully crafted piece of metal, remember the humble CNC machine and the principles that guide its work.